right? So that brings us to the end of this module, and we have learned how to read data set, right? So we started by reading data set, and we also learned how to specify the path of the file. Either it can be relative to your RStudio project, or it can be the absolute or full path. And so then we saw how we can handle the absence of column names using the call underscore names argument. And we also learned how we can supply a different set of column names using the same argument. We also learned to skip lines using the skip argument, and we also learned how to read in a certain number of rows of data using the n underscore max argument. Then we use the spec underscore CSV function to see if reader is able to determine the data types of the columns properly. We also used call underscore types argument to specify or list the data type for each column, to skip certain columns, as well as to read in only a specific subset of the columns in the data set. Now in the next module, we'll deal with Excel spreadsheets and data files from other statistical softwares. Now all the code and all the data sets are available in the learning management system. The data set is also available in the GitHub repository, and all the code files are also available in GitHub. So you can download and use them. If you have any doubts or confusions, please go to the Reader website, that is reader.tidyverse.org. You can go through the documentation here, but if you still come across issues, please feel free to reach out to us and send in a mail to support@r2academy.com.